Father Stan was involved in Jharkhand, was in support of the tribal people of Jharkhand. Not just of Jharkhand, but Father Stan, the whole world is concerned. Justice was his issue. Although he stayed mostly with the tribals in many, many years with them in their own condition, living a very simple, a very simple life. And so I have invited Rupesh to come and give his meeting, his celebration of the life of Father Stan from a tribal perspective.
Father Swami, Rising Power, Father Stan Swami, Father Stan Swami, Rising Power, 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 Father Stan Swami, Father Stan Swami, Rising Power, Father Stan Swami. Father Stan Swami! Father Stan Swami!
आज आम्ही हांगा फादर स्टॅन स्वामी होमेज दिवपा खातीर हांगा सगळे वेगवेगळ्या ऑर्गनायजेशनाचे लोक जमले आसा. फादर स्टॅन स्वामी हो एक ट्रायबल लोकां खातीर वावुरतालो आनी तांणी ट्रायबलाचो रायट्स, त्यांचे कल्चर, त्यांचे ट्रेडिशन, त्यांचे फॉरेस्ट लँड प्रिजर्व करपा खातीर भरपूर काम केलां. आनी फादर स्टॅन आनी फिफ्थ शेड्यूल इम्प्लिमेंटेशना खातीर आनी पेसा ॲक्ट जो पंचायत एक्झिक्युशन ऑफ शेड्यूल एरिया ॲक्ट जो आसा तो इम्प्लिमेंट करपा खातीर झारखंडाक आनी अदर स्टेट जो MP स्टेट आसा आनी बाकीच्यो ज्यो स्टेट्स आसा, ज्या ज्या स्टेटींनी ट्रायबल पॉप्युलेशन आसा थंय तांणी काम केल्लें आसा. आनी हो असो एक लिडर जो शेवट पर्यंत ट्रायबल लोकांच्या रायट्सा खातीर वावुरलो. आनी जे त्यांनी काम केलें आनी तेजे नंतर त्यांनी एक स्पेशल कमिटी फॉर्म केली PPSC म्हणून. PPSC म्हळ्यार जे आमचे ट्रायबल लोक जे आवाज उठयताले आपल्या रायट्सा खातीर, तांकां फॉल्स केसीस घालून कितलेशे 3000 लोकांक भितर उडयल्लो. तेंचे खातीर तांणी ही स्पेशल कमिटी फॉर्म करून रिसर्च केलो आनी 3000 जे लोक जे आमचे ट्रायबल एक्टिव्हिस्ट भितर आसले तांकां भायर काडपाक तांणी मदत केली. त्यांनी झारखंड गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हायकोर्टात केस घेतली आनी ह्या लोकां खातीर तांणी काम केलें. आनी ट्रायबल कम्युनिटी तेजे उपकार सदांच विसरचेना. शेवट पर्यंत जे तेजे अन्याय जाले ते पळयलें जाल्यार आयज आमी म्हणूंक शकता आमची डेमोक्रेसी आज नश्ट जाल्ली आसा. किल्ड डेमोक्रेसी, ज्युडिशरी आमची नश्ट जाल्ली आसा. ज्युडिशरी इन द हँड ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियन. जेन्ना तेका शेवट जेन्ना ह्या लोकां खातीर ताणें काम केलें तें पळोवन तेंच्यांनी पळोवपाक जायना जालें आनी तेका भिमा कोरेगांव ह्या केसीन फसयलो. तेजे फॉल्स केस घातली. फॉल्स त्यांनी तेजे कंप्युटर आनी तेजे लॅपटॉपान फॉल्स मॅसेजीस प्लांट केल्यो. कालच रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो आसा एक UN एजन्सीन सांगलें आसा की तेका हे फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट आनी फॉल्स मॅसेजीस तेज्या कंप्युटरान प्लांट करून तेका भिमा कोरेगांव ह्या हितून त्यांनी केसीन तेका फसयलो. आनी शेवट पर्यंत तेका ही वॉज सफरींग फ्रॉम पार्किनोनिझम अशी बिमारी हितून तेका ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्पीक. तेका दुसऱ्यांनी बरयचें पडटालें आनी ही वॉज सफरींग फ्रॉम आर्थरायटीस. अशें आसतना तो बेडार आसलो आनी तेका बेडार चेन घालून तेका बेडार दवरलो. असले तेजे हाल केले. म्हळ्यार जे डावन टोडना खातीर वावुरता, जे लोक वावुरता, जे बारीक लोकां खातीर वावुरता तेंचे अशे हाल करून तांकां काय त्यांनी हे सरकारान दाखोवन दिलें वा सरकार बारीक लोकां खातीर न्ही म्हणून. सो तेन्ना एज गाकुवे फेडरेशना मार्फत आमी स्टॅन स्वामी श्रद्धांजली वावरता आणि आम्ही मागता की भीमा कोरेगांवात जितलेय जे एक्टिविस्टांक अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा तांकां बेगीन सोडचो, कारण जे अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा तेंचे सगळे फॉल्स केसीस घालून तांकां अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा. दुसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार तेजें जें काम आसलें आमी फुडें वरतले शेड्यूल 5th एरिया डिक्लेरेशन गोंयांनी अजून जाल्लें ना एज पर द 5th शेड्यूल. तेजें काम आमी फुडें व्हरतले आनी हीच ताका खरी श्रद्धांजली आसतली.
Next, we invite Mohammed Yunus, one of our members of the NCHRO, to speak to us. As all of you know, Stan Swami was there for the most oppressed community, the Muslims.
सगळ्यांनी हे सहकार्य करचे. आम्ही म्हणटा जायते फावटी रेस्ट इन पीस म्हणून आमी आयज सान फादर स्वामी रेस्ट इन पीस जावतना रेस्ट इन पॉवर. फादर स्टॅन स्वामी, 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 फादर स्टॅन स्वामी.
Good evening, friends. We all have gathered this evening to condemn the death of Father Stan Swami. We have gathered this evening to condemn the cruelty put upon him by the authorities. There is no justification in the civilized society wherein a person has been made to go through the humiliation, where the person is tortured just in the name of justice. Father Stan Swami was repeatedly denied bail, even though he was suffering from high diseases, and he was also a victim of Parkinson disease. Father Stan Swami was even denied a seeper so that he can have a water properly. Father Stan Swami was suffering from Parkinson disease. His hand was constantly trembling. He could not walk properly. He could not talk properly. But still, he was denied this basic facility. Amazingly, few months back, we have seen a TV anchor. We have seen a TV channel owner granted bail in the name of personal liberty. And here, Father Stan Swami was not even provided with a seeper. हम जानना चाहते हैं ऐसा क्या जुर्म था फादर स्टैन स्वामी का. हम जानना चाहते हैं कि ऐसा क्या कसूर था फादर स्टैन स्वामी का. क्यों ये हमारे अथॉरिटीज फादर स्टैन स्वामी से डरते थे. फादर स्टैन स्वामी 84 years old का प्रिस्ट, जो चल नहीं पाता था, जो बोल नहीं पाता था, जो ज्यादा देख नहीं पाता था, इससे हमारे एजेंसीज क्यों डरते थे. फादर स्टैन स्वामी अपने एमए की डिग्री प्राप्त करने के बाद, फादर स्टैन स्वामी अपने एमए की चमकदार डिग्री हासिल करने के बाद आराम से कहीं पर भी जॉब कर सकते थे, कंफर्टेबल जॉब हासिल कर सकते थे. इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज और फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज के उनके ऑफर आ चुके थे. लेकिन हमारा ये प्यारा प्रीस्ट, उन्होंने देखा झारखंड के गरीब आदिवासी, झारखंड के गरीब लोग, उनको इनजस्टिस दिया जा रहा है, उनके तरफ इंसाफ नहीं होता. ये हमारा प्रीस्ट फादर जेजुट प्रीस्ट फादर स्टैन स्वामी ने अपने आप को उस गरीब झारखंड, इलिटरेट झारखंड, जो हमेशा जुल्म का शिकार हुए झारखंड के लोगों के सामने अपने आप को समर्पण कर दिया. उन्होंने उनकी आवाज़ को अपनी आवाज़ समझा, उनके दर्द को अपना दर्द समझा, उनके जुल्म को अपना जुल्म समझा और उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी पूरी राह उनके राह पे चला दी। तो सिर्फ कोई बेनिफिट नहीं, वो उर्दू का एक शेर है, न माल गनीमत न किस्मत कुशाई। For in the name of justice, we have seen these days so many people have been arrested and put behind bars, and they have been denied justice. आज फादर स्टैन की मौत हमें चिल्ला चिल्ला कर कह रही है, हमें बिलक बिलक कर कह रही है, हमें चीख चीख कर कह रही है। आज फादर स्टैन स्वामी है, कल कौन होगा? The death of Father Stan Swami reminds us as Maka Wala Tuka. Thank you.
Dr. Colasso, who's known to all of us here in Margao and anywhere in Goa as an eminent cardiologist and a human rights activist. And I think he's here more in his capacity as a human rights activist, as a social thinker. Here you go.
Father Stan Swami.
Rest in power!
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 मोगाळ बांदो आनी भयणीनो, तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरी सांज हांव देता आनी माय मोगार तो येवकार तुमकां दिता। तुमी सगळे जाणांक आमी हिंगा कित्याक समजायचे? आमचो एक बरो गुणेस्त भाव तो संवसाराक अंतरला आनी कशे भाशेन तो अंतरलाय तो आमी सगळे जाणा। न्हय फकत आमी, सगळो संवसार गाजला ही वस्त करून देखून नाशिल्लो। Swami, a Jesuit priest, had been undergoing treatment at Holy Family Hospital, where he had been shifted after an order by the High Court precisely on May 28. His lawyer announced his passing on Monday, stating that he had suffered from a cardiac arrest on Saturday, and his health had quickly deteriorated thereafter. Swami suffered multiple health ailments, including the very disabling Parkinson's disease. Earlier this year, he sought interim bail on health grounds. Subsequently, he tested positive for the coronavirus in the month of June, after which he was shifted to the ICU of a private hospital. Earlier, poor Father Swami had requested just his keeper and the straw due to his battle with Parkinson's disease. It took more than 4 weeks for the Russia jail authorities to grant such a simple request. Despite his immense suffering from Parkinson's, Father Stan remained dedicated as always to the battle for land, dignity, and the constitutional rights of the Adivasis and the indigenous people. Father Stan Swami was not just a voice for the voiceless. He was a priest, and I want to tell this with great emphasis. He was a priest that leapt out of the walls of the church and made the people his religion. I want you to clap for this. Organizing Adivasis around their constitutional rights for decades, he had filed a path-breaking public interest litigation in the Jharkhand High Court, exposing the incarceration and praying for the release of about 4,000 tribal youth Adivasis that were languishing in prisons in Jharkhand. Rulers of India today see this as the greatest threat. Who are this threat? The citizens who believe in the Constitution and the communities who organize individuals and refuse to be silenced. People around the country are sad and angry at what happened to him. The judiciary systematically denied him bail despite more than valid claims that his lawyers came up with. Here is a man who has worked all his life for the rights of the marginalized people. Words of shock, mourning, and criticism have rippled across the country and social media on Monday, July 5, after the death of this human rights activist, Father Stan Swami. Let me conclude with these words. Yes, friends, there may be times when we are powerless to prevent injustice. But there never must be a time when we fail to secure the justice when that is denied to us and is our fundamental right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor.
Father Orville De Silva, who is a Jesuit, and we cannot have this meeting without a Jesuit speaking for a co-Jesuit, for somebody who probably inspired all of you at different times in your life through his training, his teachings, his talks, his writings. Orville, please come up and speak. Orville is a Jesuit priest and a social activist and a human rights activist.
Father Stan Swami,
Rest in power.
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 Father Stan Swami.
Rest in power.
Good evening, sisters and brothers. On behalf of the Jesuits of the Goa province, I want to thank all of you for your support and prayers to Father Stan Swami in the past 1 year. I need not talk about the life of Father Stan Swami, but what remarkably stands out is his love, commitment, and dedication to the poor and the marginalized. There is no greater love than to lay down one's life for his friend. Father Stan lived out the gospel values in his day-to-day life. We have come here not to mourn, but rather to celebrate his life. In a way, his life challenges us to get out of our own comfort zones and side with the poor and the marginalized. His life and death gives us that courage to make that leap. We are called to be a voice to the voiceless. Just before Father Stan was arrested, weeks before, this is what he had to say. What is happening to me is not something unique happening to me alone. It is a broader process that is taking place all over the country and even here in Goa. We are all aware how prominent intellectuals, lawyers, writers, poets, activists, students, leaders, they are all put into jail because they have expressed their dissent or raised questions about the ruling power of India. We are all part of this process. In a way, I'm happy to be part of this process. I am no longer a silent spectator, but rather a part of the game and ready to pay the price, whatever be it. And what price did Father Stan pay? Death as an accused terrorist and having links with the Maoists. We need to continue to extend our support to the other activists languishing in the jail. May Father Stan give us that courage to be the voice of dissent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Father Savio, who is the Executive Secretary for Social Justice and Peace in the Archdiocese of Goa. Please say a few words.
Father Stan Swami. 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 Father Stan Swami.
म्हाका दिसतालो आयज हांगा हांव तुमच्या बरोबर हाजीर जालां तुमच्या सगळ्यां बरोबर एका महान मनशाची फादर स्टॅन स्वामी ह्या जेजुईत पाद्रीची श्रद्धांजली ओपूंक दलित तशेंच आदिवासी लोकांच्या हक्का पासत तो एक वरिश्ठ झुजारी आसा एका फामाद मॅनेजमेंट कॉलेजींत शिकून ताचें ट्रेनिंग जाल्लें पूण एका प्रोफेसराचो जो कम्फर्ट हो जो दर्जो आसा तो सोडून दिवन जिविताचे सगळे तरेचे सोंपेपणाक कम्फर्ट्स विसरून दलित आनी आदिवासी लोकांचे हक्का पासत झुजून एक सादें आनी त्यागी जिविताक ताणें वेंग मारली तो एक काळजीदार मनीस आसलो आपल्या जिवाची पर्वा करिनासतना ट्रायबल लोकां खातीर वावुरपी हिशोब करिनासतना समाजा खातीर आपलें सगळें ओपून दिलें आनी इनाम वो बक्षीस पडनासतना दुसऱ्यां खातीर तो वावुरलो ह्या पासत ताचें मरण एक मार्तीरपण जावन आसा दुसऱ्या खातीर ताणें हें सोंसून पडलें आयज ताचो उमर उगडास करतना ताचे भाशेन जायतीं प्रमाणीक मनशां सोशल एक्टिविस्ट वेगवेगळ्या भणभणींनी निरअपराधी जावन फोटकिरी आरोप तांचेर घालून धुमाळो सोंसतात तांचोय आमी उगडास करता आनी तांचे सुटके खातीर तशेंच तांच्या हक्का खातीर आमी वावरूंक गरज आसा आयज आमचो मान फादर स्टॅन स्वामीच्या मरणाक आनी आत्म्याक शांती दिता कसलो जातलो जाल्यार आमी बी भियेनासतना काळजीदारपणान उनी आड झुजूंक जबरदस्तेचें राज चलयतल्या पदव्यांचेर निशेट मारूंक सगळ्यांच्या होका खातीर वावरूंक गरज आसा. फादर स्टॅन स्वामीची ही उतरां, आय एम नॉट अ सायलंट स्पेक्टेटर, आय एम पार्ट ऑफ द गेम, वॉट एवर बी द प्रायस. ही फादर स्टॅन स्वामीची उतरां आमकां प्रेरणा आनी स्फूर्ती जावं. देव बरें करूं.
All of us are aware of the fact that the Father stands for his life to be created as fame